अगर किसी ने EY से आर्टिकलशिप किया एंड ही और शी इज वांटिंग टू ऑप्टिमाइज ऑन द वे फॉरवर्ड, to my mind, you either get into EY transaction advisory services or you get into EY Parthanan. Transaction advisory services में आप FDD करोगे, diligences on behalf of the buy side or the sell side. Parthanan में you're doing consulting, hardcore strategic consulting. And both paths eventually can, may not necessarily, but often lead to venture capital, private equity, जहाँ पे you can get fancy salaries of 1.5 crores, 2 crores at less than 30 years of age, जो otherwise possible नहीं है, whether you continue in big four and try to move up the partner level, because partner बनने में आपको 10-12 साल लगेंगे ही. If you move to industry, fancy FMCGs को छोड़ के normal salaries in industry will be in the range of 12 to 15 lakhs per annum, and आप change करके भी fast grow करके भी उस level तक नहीं पहुंच सकते हो. तो if possible, please get into TAS or Parthanan and then into private equity. And then if you want, you can top it up with a heavyweight MBA, maybe from an Indian B school or even like a Columbia Business School or a Harvard or a Stanford or INSEAD, because आपके पास wealth होगा, आपके पास वो network होगा, and you will be able to make those choices which are required to go back to the financial reporting cycle in industry and get into the statutory compliance, annual accounts closure, stat audit, internal audit, advanced tax, CMA data, प्लानिंग बजटिंग साइकिल अंतहीन है वो, और उसमें ऐसा कोई मेजर अपसाइड भी नहीं है. तो करो तो ट्रांजैक्शन एडवाइजरी में काम करो, एटलीस्ट फॉर दैट फर्स्ट 10-12 years ऑफ योर लाइफ.